Do you ever wake up feeling like your body is just heavy and sluggish? As if you're dragging your feet in sand? Like you're carrying around the weight of a long week or slow recovery? Your body wants to move, but your liver is stuck in low power mode. Today on Feel Better Recipe, we're making a Jeonju Kongnamul Gukbap. It's a famous as hangover cure, but for the patient first kitchen, it's actually a high performance liver detox. Let's unlock the science of asparagine and the art of easy digestion. Our main ingredient today is bean sprouts. The secret is in the roots. That's where the asparagine is concentrated. It's the on switch for your liver's detox. Squid is lean and packed with taurine, an amino acid that specifically helps your liver process toxins. It's the clean energy your body needs when it's too tired for a heavy meal. In addition to base anchovy broth, which provides clean, mineral-rich hydration that balances your electrolytes, we're going to add another ingredient, 황태채, the dried pollock is packed with amino acids like methionine and taurine, which specifically protect liver cells from oxidative stress. The poached egg is a gentle, soft protein that coats and protects the stomach lining. Thorium is an ancient technique where you rinse the rice in a hot broth to make it perfectly soft to your gut. But keep those roots on, that's your medicine. Dried pollock, the anchovy, the pot. We're gonna add the water. And don't forget the onion. Onion brings out natural sweet flavor in the broth. It's get rid of all this stuff. The bean sprouts for about 5 minutes. And squid. Cut them up in small bite sizes. A clear broth is a pure broth. Don't overboil the sprouts. We want to keep the nutrients intact and the texture crisp. Radish, garlic, salt, chili powder, pepper or 청양고추. And I'm also gonna chop up the dried pollock. The ancient technique, thorium, warms the rice through and through, breaking down starches so your body doesn't have to. Add bean sprouts, squid, salted shrimp. In a state of recovery, your liver is your engine. If it's clogged with toxins or metabolic waste, you feel fatigued. Asparagine speeds up the breakdown of the toxins, while the warm broth increases your core temperature, boosting your immune cell activity. Serve this warm, adding a little 새우젓, the Korean salted shrimp, for natural probiotics and digestion. It's light, it's clean, and it's exactly what your body needs to reset.